Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Kawaii box unboxing. I have no idea which month this is, if it's a new month or much older month, because, oh, May, all right, May. I think this is an older box. Yeah, I think the last one I unboxed was June. So I think I still have April coming, and that should come pretty soon. So if you watched my last Kawaii box, I was talking about how I was missing 2 boxes, and I reached out to them and they said it's on their way. The only reason that the one that I unboxed had come so early is because they had changed the shipping courier or something like that. But the other ones would eventually get there. It's just taking a long time for obvious reasons. So I was happy about that, and I still intend to unbox everything. I got some feedback on Instagram where people like keep unboxing them anyways, and I kind of want to unbox them. I just feel like this sense of completion to have them on my channel, so I'm just gonna keep going that. I hope that's okay with everyone. So I noticed this really big bag, but I think I'll grab that to the end because there's stuff sitting on it, so it's a little hard to get. Ooh, there's a lot of, I don't even know where to start. There's a lot of interesting things here. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. Oh, it's a hair comb. Isn't this the cutest? I have one similar to this. They're more for detangling. Oh, this is so nice, and it fits into the palm of my hand really nicely. I'm not sure what was in here. Maybe this? I'm gonna guess it was this. Which is, I think when I read it, it said it was, ooh, it's a highlighter. Okay, there you go, a highlighter. I'll try this out at the end of the video to show you. I think, was it in a previous Kawaii? Oh no, it was an Inkoo box. I got what looked like a nail polish bottle, but it was actually a pink highlighter, and I actually really love that highlighter, so I kept it even though shape-wise it's a little awkward. I'm pretty sure this is a sharpener. Yes, it's a little sharpener with, comes with an eraser. Okay, there we go. Okay, can you guys see? There's like a little component for a mini eraser. Definitely probably not the most functional thing, but it's adorable. It's so cute. Then these are some hair ties. This is a pen. This is what I would call more like a gimmicky pen. Probably not the most comfortable, likely just a standard gel ink, black gel pen, but very pretty. And I think this is some candy. Yeah, you can kind of see the shape of the candy. I think this is like soda flavored chocolates. Yeah, I'm gonna assume like M&Ms, but soda flavor. And this, I am definitely gonna be keeping these. These are washi tapes. You can kind of get a good look here. I was gonna take them out, but I'm like, you can kind of see. These are beautiful colors. So you've got some like really thin ones here, like 4 super thin ones. And then you've got some slightly thicker ones, even more thicker, and then a really thick one here. This is perfect. I can't wait to start using these in my Plan With Me spreads. This is probably my favorite item from this whole thing. Like, sometimes I look at something like I'll look at the pen or even the hair ties and I'm like, yep, that's going to my niece. But this one, no, I really like this. So this is what the tote bag looks like. It's a beautiful, it's so cute. I wish this zipper went all the way. Like, it's kind of annoying that it's only kind of half open, but there's another zip in here. This is so adorable. All right, I'm going to test out this highlighter very quickly, so I'll be right back. All right, so this is the highlighter. It is the cutest. I've never seen a highlighter like this, and I'm probably always going to forget which side the highlighter's on. Let's try this out. Oh wow, okay, it is very saturated. I would not consider this a pastel highlighter in the slightest. That is everything in this month's Kawaii box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Selena reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.